simplify. In this simplify, we will use these rules: plus 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 a, minus minus plus a, plus minus plus minus plus minus minus. This rule you have to keep in mind while solving like this simplification. Minus 13 will come as it is. Minus 90 minus minus plus. Now there are three numbers and two numbers having negative sign. Two numbers having negative sign. When two numbers having the same sign, so they will be added to 13 and 19. When you add 13 and 19, so you get minus 32. What do you get? Minus 32. Now plus 24 will come as it is. Okay. Now these two numbers having opposite sign. When two numbers having opposite sign, so we will subtract. If you subtract, what you get here? From 2, we can't subtract, we can take borrow, they become 12. 4 from 12, so you get here 8. Now here 2, 2 from 2. And which sign we have to put here? Plus or minus. So minus 32 is the greater number. This 32 is the greater number. We have to put the sign of this greater number. Now here in this question, this minus 58 will come as it is. Minus minus plus 25 minus minus plus 20. Now you have three numbers, these two numbers having the same sign, so these two numbers will be added. Minus 58 will come as it is. 25 plus 20, what we get here? 45. Now you subtract because these two numbers having opposite sign, so they will subtract. Subtracted, they will be subtracted. So now we have to subtract 5 from 8. So what we get here? 3. 4 from 5, you get 1. Which sign we have to place here? Yeah, which sign we have to put here? Greater number. 58 is the greater. So we have to put minus sign. Got it? So third number. Here 77 will come as it is. Plus minus. Look here. Plus minus minus. We have to put here minus sign. 58. Now minus minus. Look here. Minus minus plus. We have to put plus sign. Plus 85. Plus minus minus. Look here. Plus minus minus. Minus 21, 21. Now here we having four number. We are having four number. 1, 2, 3, 4. These two number having same sign. These two number having same sign. So you can arrange also. Now avoid the mistake. We can arrange the same sign number together. By using which property? Do you know which property we are using to change the order of this number? Commutative property. Minus 58. You can write here. Minus 21. Here also you can, by using the commutative property, you can change the order of number. This rule you have to keep in your mind. Now these two numbers having the same sign, so these two numbers will be added. 7, 5, 12, 2 carry 1, add 7, 15, 1, 16. Here 1 or 8, 9, 2 and 5, 7. Common sign minus, so we have to put there common sign while you are adding. Keep remember. Now this two number have opposite sign. You here positive. This is the positive. Okay. A number not having here sign, it is considered positive. Minus 79, 162. We will subtract. When you subtract, you can't subtract 9 from 2, so you can borrow if you don't know. I will show you here. 162 and here 79. You borrow, it become 5. This become 12. And from 12 you get 3. 3 from 7. 7 from 5. We can't subtract 1 5. 15. What do we get here? 83. We write here 83. And what is the sign of 83? Positive, because this number, greater number is positive. Okay. Okay. This is our required answer. Now we will solve this word problem. The sum of two integers is minus 47. We have given the sum of two integers is minus 47. If one of the integers is minus 34, find the other integer. We are having one integer. We want to find out the other integer whose sum is minus 47. We can write here, let other integers be x. Then, as per question, What is the question? The sum of two integers is minus 7. We write the first, this rule we can use the first integer plus second integer is equal to sum. First integer. What is the one integer? One integer we have get minus 34. So we can write here minus 34. Other integer, second integer. Other integer means what? Second integer. So what is the other integer? Be x. So we can write here x. Sum of two integer is minus 40. And we have given the sum of two integer is minus 47. In place of sum, we write minus 47. Now this equation we can solve easily. Now by transposition minus 34, we will take from left hand side to right hand side. So its sign will be change. Negative become positive. If there is a positive, the positive become negative. This rule you have to keep in your mind. So x will come as it is equal to will come minus 47 also will come as it is. Which number we are taking from left to right? Minus 34. So the sign of this number will be change. Here minus when it will come right hand side that become plus 34. X is equal to, now these two number having the opposite sign, so we subtract 4 from 7. So what we get here? 3. So 3 from 4, what we get here? 1. And which sign we have to place here? Which number is getting between this 34 and 47? 47 is getting. What is the sign of 47? Minus. So we have to put minus. Here we can write here. Hence the required number is minus 30. This is our answer. Now, to solve this word problem, we will use the second method. Okay, method which we are going to use, it is also very easy. If we want to solve this question, so first we write what we have given. We have to gather the information given in this word problem. First we should write here what we have given. You can write here the sum of two integers. So we write here given the sum of two integers. What is minus 16? Minus 16. Now, if one of them is 53, one integer, we can write here one integer. What is the one integer? 53. So we can write here 53. And what you can find the other? So we can write here other integer question mark. We have to find out. Now we want to find other integer, so you can consider the here direct we can write here. We can write the sum other integer is equal to, right here, sum of two integer minus one integer. With the help of this formula, you can find out the other integer. How can you find? Whenever we have given the sum of two integers and one of them we have given and we want to find out the other. So how will you find out? You subtract one integer from the sum of two integers. So we will get the required answer, other integer. Here write sum of two integers. What is sum of two integers? Minus 16. So we write here minus 16 directly. This minus sign will come as it is. One integer. What is the one integer? 53. So we write here 53. It's positive. That's why we are not putting the bracket. So both are having the same sign, negative. They will be added. Will be added. So what we get here? Minus 369,516. At last you can write. Hence, other integer is minus 69. Now in this word problem, plain is flying at 14,000 meter above sea level. This is sea level and this is the plane flying above the sea level. समुद्र के ऊपर. The submarine at the same time is floating 22,500 meter below the sea level. This is sea level and below. Below means समुद्र के अंदर 2005 मीटर की डिस्टेंस पर क्या कर रही है, फ्लोटिंग कर रही है. Okay, so what we have to find, what is the distance between them? We want to find out the distance between these two. How will you find? We can write here the distance between a plane and a submarine is equal to. What is submarine? What is the distance? When you find the distance between the two objects, do you want their difference? So first we have to write the what is distance over the sea level. We distance greater 14,000. We write here 14,000 meter. Okay, now we have to put the plus minus sign here below. When we take the below, it is considered negative. It is considered negative. That's why we have to write a negative here. Minus 2500 meter. Okay, we can write in a big bracket outside a meter. The unit of this meter. Now 14,000 become as it is. Minus minus plus bracket unit meter, so we can write here meter. Now both are having positive sign. We add to what we get here 16,500 meter. This is our required answer. You can see distance between a plane and a submarine. The distance between these two will be 16,500 meter. Now in this question, we are going to verify a minus second minus b is equal to a plus. We are having two questions. A is equal to 59 and b is equal to minus 82. A is equal to minus 65 and b is equal to 50. We see first number. A is equal to 59 and b is equal to minus 82. A, what is the value of a? 59. So we have to put the 59. Minus sign as it is. This minus sign become as it is. Now what is the value of b? Minus 82. The value of this b is minus 82. That's why we have to put in the bracket. A 59, b minus 82. That's why we are putting in the bracket. Okay. Now here we solve first left hand side. 59 become as it is, minus sign is minus minus plus to plus 82. Now we have minus plus minus, this 82 become as it is. So 59. Now you subtract 59 from 82, so you will get minus 23. So right hand side plus minus minus 82. 59 will come as it is. So you subtract, because these two numbers having opposite sign, we subtract. So what we get here? Minus 23. What we find? We find that both sides having the same answer. Both sides are having the same answer. Minus 23 and minus 23. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. We can say it is very fine. Next question. The next question, a is equal to minus 65 and b is equal to 50. Here also we have to verify same. A minus bracket minus b is equal to a plus b. So again we have to put the value of a. The value of a is minus 65. It is negative. That's why we are putting in the bracket. Minus sign, minus sign. This minus sign here. What is the value of b? 15. We are putting the 50. A minus is negative. That's why we are putting a bracket. Plus b 15 15. Okay. Now you have positive sign plus minus minus. This 65 minus minus plus 15. Okay. Now you subtract, because the two numbers having opposite sign. We subtract. If you subtract, what we get here? Minus 50. This is our left hand side. Now right hand side. Plus minus. Outside is always positive. That's why we are saying plus minus minus. Minus 65 this plus 15 and it is. Again these two numbers having opposite sign. We subtract. What we get here? Minus 50. Now what we find? Both sides are having the same answer. Minus 50 minus 50. The left hand side is equal to right hand side. That's why we can write is very fine.